All right, guys, where the cornice board is made, see that? And it's so light. It's so light. Look at this, one hand. It's so light because I want to be able to put this up, take this down, change the fabric anytime and any way I want to do it.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Hey guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and like I promised you guys, I was going to show you how I hang those beautiful cornice boards up to my window, holes free. If I want to change out my cornice board, I need to be able to put it up and take it down easily. You don't have to use command strips. You don't have to use nails or any of that, stuff like that. I'm going to show you what I use, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. But the best thing about this apparatus that I am about to show you, that if you have crown molding on your ceiling and you want it to show, this apparatus will allow you to lower your cornice board to, or raise it, even if you don't have crown molding, or raise it to be flush to the ceiling, or lower it so that your crown molding will show. So let me show you the apparatus. All right, guys, we are down in my basement, and the other day I made this cornice board for over my window, and I hung it with this apparatus. Let me show you. And guys, as you see, this is a different window, and I made a cornice board for that window as well, but I'm gonna take that one down and recover it with different material, and because it's easy to put up and put down. Now this is an over the door hook from the Dollar Tree. Okay, yesterday you guys was with me when I went and bought the hooks from the Dollar Tree. All right, guys, we are in my bathroom, and whatever side you want to use, you can, but I like using this top side to go over my hook, okay? But if you want, you can also use this side to go over your hook. So if you use that side to go over your hook, it's going to look like that, right? Look, it's going to look like that. And however you want to hang your cornice board, it will hang in here. So if this is your cornice board for your window, it will hang in here. If you want it to go higher, then you'll use that hook. Use that hook, or go up to make it more flush to the ceiling. So because I like to pre-measure my cornice boards for my window, I use the round part here, and this is bendable too. So if you want, you can either cut this off or bend it, or use this part here and hook it higher if you need it to go higher. Now you see that? Let me see if I can have y'all see. See how I got it on the second hook? You can go higher with it, or you could take it off and go lower with it. And that will make your cornice board higher or lower to whatever level you need your cornice board, to hang from your ceiling. So guys, like I promised, I showed you this wonderful way to hang your cornice boards, and I have been going crazy making cornice boards and changing the material on my cornice boards for my windows. So anytime I want to change my decor, I can just unhook it, change that material, and then put it back up. And hang this cornice board back up the way I had it hanging up there. And that's pretty much it. Be looking out for more wonderful money-saving ideas, guys. I have a gang of them. I have been saving money and just redecorating my house on these wonderful ideas. I still had some material left, and with that material, I did this. I made me a covering to match my valance. So support my channel. thumbs up this video, share this video, ooh, and please like this video. You have reached at It's Regina TV. Come on back and visit me because I have more things to show you. And guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.
When you need my